Right now, the City of Toronto does have a commitment to implementing a human rights-based approach to housing, and they just recently established a housing ombudsman. And so in housing ombudsman, what they are is they're there to hear from you if you feel that your community has been discriminated against in terms of actually having their voice validated by city planning on the importance of affordable housing and seeing how solutions can be built with community, with the city together.
We want to see a transit-oriented community. Right now, it's just transit-oriented development. There's nothing that creates a complete community in there and no commitment to it.
This whole announcement about the maintenance and storage facility was a big surprise to the community, right? There was not consultation in advance. And so we want to change that modus operandi, right? We want there to be more dialogue and conversation with Metrolinx.
So the maintenance facility for the whole Ontario line is coming right here in front of us. So if at the street you see, there'll be a wall going up. They've told us that it's going to be soundproof. I don't know if they can proof up in the air. I don't think that would work, but they said minimal noise. It's environmentally, it's affecting our community as a whole. So we've been talking to them, but I believe now it's a done deal. Without any community benefits coming into our community, the local community, Metrolinx cannot get away with that.
And we said, hang on, we got to get on this so they don't do the same thing and deliver zero affordable housing. And we continue to be very specific that affordable homes doesn't mean the same thing to Doug Ford as it does to you and I. Affordable needs to be long-term, it needs stable tenancy, and it needs to be at levels that people from all areas and communities can actually live in it.
We all have similar issues, we're all facing similar issues, and that's the importance of coming together and having those big numbers and having one united voice to show the importance and highlight the importance of community benefits.
We want to make sure that our federal partners are also holding Metrolinx accountable to make sure that good paying jobs do come to this community and that the community members are the first people eligible.
So we need to make sure that Metrolinx is able to provide support. We need housing in this area. We need development, any infrastructure. We're not against transportation because we need public transportation. As a community, especially people filled with essential workers, public transportation is a way of life. So we're not against any public transportation. But any benefits that are formed, any developers that make money out of this development, benefits need to come back into our community.
It's really there to highlight things like affordable housing, having good jobs and access to employment, and making sure that these equity-deserving communities get a say in what happens in their community and what development happens and how they want to see their community move forward in the future.
I'm really excited to see this continue to grow and see community benefits become a normalized part of planning. Like every plan that we see coming through our cities should have community benefits as a central tenet of the work.
If you live in a conservative riding, talk to your MPP about how affordable housing, community benefits, jobs matter to you. Join among different communities along the Ontario line and different groups as we lobby for good outcomes.